Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I'm going to show you how to change volume balance for your earbuds Happy Plugs Joy. Firstly, I will show you how to change it on Android device, and then I will move to Apple device. But some Android phones have system what visually more similar to iOS, so maybe you need to check that part to find a similar path to the settings. Now, on your Android, open settings, and then we need to go to accessibility. I have stock Android, and right here it's located at the bottom. Enter into accessibility, then we need to scroll down again, and at the bottom we have audio adjustment. Click at this line, and right here we have volume balance. If you have the problem with the right earbud, you just move this dot to the right, but you need to find a good balance for you. We just increase the volume for the right earbud, but lower it for the left. If you use 100% on your right earbud, you will totally mute sound for your left earbud. If you have the problem with the left earbud, just move this slider, this dot to the left, and also need to find a good balance. And again, we just increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. And that's it for Android. Now let's move to iOS. On your iPhone, open settings, and then we need to go to accessibility, what located under the general settings. Enter into accessibility, then scroll down, and in the hearing we have audio and visual line. Tap at this line, then scroll down, and right here we have volume balance. If you have the problem with the left earbud, just move this dot to the left, but you need to find a good balance. Right now we increase the volume for the left earbud, but lower it for the right earbud. If you use 100% on your left earbud, you will totally mute sound for your right earbud. If you have the problem with the right earbud, just move this dot to the right, and we just increase it for the right, but lower it for the left. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. See you later!